Hello, Ndewo. No, this is Igbo class. In this video, we'll continue with Igbo words that begins with the certain letter of the Igbo alphabet. And the letter for today is letter K. Mkpuredemede K. Before we get into the business of the day, if you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, like and share for more videos. Ka anyị bido, let's begin. Mkpụrụ edemede K, that is the letter K. Nke mbụ, the first on our list today is kedu. 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 I believe you've made use of kedu as a beginner, as an Igbo person, as someone who converses using the Igbo language. Kedu. So kedu can mean how, that is, how are you? A short form of kedu ka imere, that is, how are you? Kedu ka imere. So you can use a shortened version of it, which is kedu. And kedu can also stand for what? Kedu ihe na-achọ? What are you looking for? Kedu ihe mere? What happened? Kedu. 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 How are you? Kedu ihe na-achọ? Kedu ihe mere? Kedu onye ọ bụ? All these are questions. So kedu is a question word. Ọ bụ njụ ajụjụ. Whenever you hear kedu, a response must follow whatever comes after the kedu. Kele, greet. Kele, greet. Kele ya, greet him or her. Kele ha, greet them. Kele. Kechie. Kechie, to wrap something. Kechie, to wrap something. That is to tie something. Kechie ngwugwu ahụ. Kechie akpa ahụ, to tie up something, to wrap something. Kechie. Kọọ. Kọọ. Kọọ, to narrate, to tell a story. Kọọ ihe merenụ. Kọọ akụkọ ahụ, to tell a story, to narrate something, to talk about an event, a ceremony, just to narrate, to tell a story about something. Kọọ. Kita. Kita, noun. Kita, noun. Ọ ga-abịa kita. She will come now. Ọ na-eri nri kita. She is eating now. Kita, noun. Kọwaa. Kọwaa, explain. Kọwaa, explain. Kọwaa ihe i mere. Explain what you did. Kọwaa. The next word that we have is ka. Ka. Ka means to mark something, especially with the line. To mark something. Ka ihe, that is, make a mark on it, draw a line on it. Ka. Ka. To mark something, to distinguish it, to differentiate it from the rest. Ka. Ke, to share or divide. Ke, to share or divide. Ke. Ke oroma ahụ. Divide the oranges. Ke. Kesa. Kesa, to distribute. Kesa, to distribute. To disseminate, if it is concerning a message or an information. To disseminate, to distribute. It can also be to share, but on a very wider range. Now, we are talking of a very big number of persons, not just 2 or 3 or 4 persons. Kesa, we are talking of a very good number of persons. Kesa, to distribute. Ke, to share within smaller range of persons, 2, 3, 4 as the case may be. Keta, keta, to inherit, to get something, to get a share. That means ekesa, iketa. Kesa or ke, to share. Now the person who is getting what was being shared, na-eketa. Keta okegi. Keta okegi. That means inherit your own share, get your own share. Kuzie, to teach. Kuzie, teach. Kwo, 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 to hit or to knock. Kwo, kwo aka n'ụzọ. Kwo aka n'ụzọ. Kụọ ya ihe. Kụọ ya ihe. Hit him. Kụọ ya ihe. Hit him. Kụọ aka n'ụzọ. Knock on the door. Kụọ, to hit something against, to hit a thing against another, to knock. Kụọ ya ọkpọ n'isi. Knock on his head. Kụọ ya ọkpọ n'isi. Knock on his, give him a knock on the head. Kụọ ya ọkpọ n'isi, give him a knock on the head. Kụọ, to knock or to hit. Ka, to put a mark on something. To put a mark on something, that is to differentiate it. Ka ya ihe. Ka ya ihe. Ka ya ihe n'okpuru. That is, put a mark under it, that is to underline. Ka ya ihe n'okpuru, to put a mark on it, to underline. Ka ihe ebe ahụ, put a mark there. Ka, to put a mark on something. Ke, to share or to divide. Ke, 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 to share or to divide. Ke oroma ahụ, to divide the oranges. Share them. Ke. Kesa, to distribute. Kesa, to distribute. Now we are talking of sharing or dividing things among people. This time around, a greater range of people, a greater number of people. Kesa deals with a very big range of persons. Kesa ihe ahụ. We are no longer looking at 2, 3, 4 persons. Kesa is the bigger version of ke. Ke has to do with a little people. Ke has to do with 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. While kesa, we are looking at a very large number of persons. Kesa, to distribute. Kesa ozi ahụ. Disseminate that information. Disseminate that information. Kesa ozi ahụ. So it can be for ozi, that is message, information, to disseminate it. Kesa can also be to distribute, to share stuff, to share things. Keta, to inherit. Keta, to inherit. That is to get your own share. Kesa, keta, to get your own share. Kuzie, kuzie, to teach. Kuzierem, teach me. Kuzie, to teach. Ana m akuzi, I am teaching. Kuzie, to teach. Kwo, kwo, to knock or hit something or someone. Kụọ, kụọ aka n'ụzọ, kụọ aka n'ụzọ, knock on the door. Kụọ ya ihe, hit him. Kụọ ya ọkpọ n'isi, give him a knock on the head. Kụọ ya ọkpọ n'isi, give him a knock on the head. Kụọ, to knock or to hit something or someone. The next word is ka. 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 Ka can stand for as or that. As or that. Ọ mara mma ka nne ya. She is as beautiful as the mother. She is as beautiful as the mother. Ọ mara mma ka nne ya. Ọ mara mma ka nne ya. Kama. Kama. Kama acts as a conjunction. Kama, which means instead of or rather than. Instead of or rather than. Kama ọ ga-abịa be m, ka m gaa be ya. Instead of her coming to my house, I would rather go to her house. Kama. Kulie. Kulie. Arise. Kulie. Arise. This is now an expanded version of Boroto, that is stand up. Now it is more broad. Kulie. Kulie. Arise. Kulie. Arise. Kulie mee ihe ahụ. Kalama. Kalama. Bottle. A bottle is known as kalama in the Igbo language. A bottle is known as kalama in the Igbo language. Although some dialects call it karama, kalama or karama. But we are talking of bottle. Kalama, bottle. Kutuo. Kutuo, to knock down. Kutuo, to knock down. Knock down someone or something. Kutuo. Kowa. Kowa, to break. Kowa, to break. Kowa. Kowa efere ahụ. Break the plate. Kowa ite ahụ. Break the pot. Kowa, break. This brings us to the end of our video today. I believe you know 1, 2, 3, as many words as possible that begins with the letter K. Of course, you know what to do. Put them down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel till I come your way again. Bye.